Hey guys, this is Ravi here from Greentastic. Today we are here at Mickleham. We are helping one of our customers to get rid of this old ducted gas heater, which is with 8 ducts. It's consuming obviously something very old machine, consuming a lot of power. We are going here upgrading it to Carrier reverse cycle ducted system. It can do both heating and cooling. Carrier is an American brand, very reliable. They are one of the inventors of aircon, so obviously you can opt in for Carrier if you're looking for a good, reliable reverse cycle ducted system. This comes with 7 years warranty. That's the compressor that will basically go outside. It's 7 kilowatt compressor. That's the machine that's going to go inside the roof, and it's going to blow all of cold air as per the customer requirement. Great thing about this installation is we are going to install AirTouch5. That's the kit inside that we're going to show you later how it looks like. AirTouch gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of zoning. You can have temperature sensors in each zone. You can control the airflow in those areas. You can control the temperature in those areas separately. A lot of convenience for the customers if they want to control each of their zones separately and have that flexibility in their phone. You can control everything on AirTouch. That's on your phone as well. So we're gonna see how the installation looks like. We're gonna show you. Let's see. Let's keep rolling. Yeah guys, as you can see, we are removing all the old ducts. This is because old ducts don't have that R rating or the insulation rating required for the new reverse cycle system. This usually have R rating of R0.65 or R1, which is not good enough for a reverse cycle system, which requires an R rating of R1.5. One good thing with going with Greentastic is we make sure every inch of your ducts are changed, your vents are changed. We give the whole new experience, not just changing the old machine. That's what we have removed in this Mickleham job. We'll show you how we install the new ones once we are done. Yep, as you can see, we have old vents, so we're gonna change all the vent covers as well and give the new ones. So we do want to make sure that you can have the newest of and the best of everything that we're gonna change. So it's not just about changing your ducted machine, it's about changing the ducts, changing the vent covers, return air grid, everything. So if you're looking forward to serve you as well, keep in touch.
Hi, this is Justin from Fresh Air and Cooling. We're installing this Carrier system with Greentastic. So it's an AirTouch system with 12 vents, 9 zones. It's got 8 temperature sensors as well. So today we'll install it and we'll see how we go when it's all finished. Okay, so with this AirTouch system, you're able to save up to about 17% of energy. In doing so, it allows you to close up certain rooms in the area of the houses. And by having temperature sensors, it allows you to individually, once that room hits temperature, you can shut it off automatically. And by doing so, shutting off zones and extra outlets in the house, you can drop the fan speed down to certain temperature to drop the fan speed down and allow obviously less energy saving. The higher the fan speed, more energy use. Lower the fan speed, the more energy you save. And that's what the AirTouch and the sensors and the zoning helps to do so.